Welcome to another garden update. Here I would like to show you my negligence. I have put in the shed a crate of plants, and because it was dark they etiolated. So this is all Ranunculus ficaria, and this is Anemone, maybe Ranunculoides or Anemone nemorosa, I don't know. And of course some seedlings. Lovely cyclamen comb. So yeah, this happens. I got my bulb and net bag order from the Netherlands, so I can treat my bulbs, have them drenched in different solutions. And I have this thick mulch over the licorice, which is now starting to push up. So it's time for remove part of it, or at least make it lighter. And my first daffodils are in bloom. This is Narcissus pumilus. And the crocus has already bloomed. And this one is Galanthus beluga. And another daffodil is just in bud. Winter waltz. That's the name of the cultivar. And I have the perennial alliums growing. Lovely. And I got some frost damage in my lilium candidum. Some tulips, chives, and I have to put back a couple of name tags because of the winter. They got moved around a bit, but that's all right. I had to dig up some lilies because they were in the way, and unfortunately I killed them, it appears. And I put out my arums, and this is Ghost, which I really like, and the yucca. And this lily is very interesting. It's a seedling of mine, and it overwintered green. So of course it got some frost damage, and I put them inside when the temperatures went really down, and already a slug is below the pot. So I have to put out some sluggo. The yuccas are nice. Some frost damage here and there, but it should be okay. Look at the lovely Helleborus scrat ice. It looks really nice, and it's flowering for more than a month now. Of course it's cold, so flowers don't bloom that fast. And the pulmonarias, which I wanted to plant out. It's late to plant them out now. And my collection of Anemone Ranunculus ficaria, and some cyclamens which appears did not survive the winter. And I have the lovely double galanthus from my grandmother's garden. And oh look, some seedling pulmonarias are in flower. Lovely. They're just lovely in spring. And all the rest of the plants start to grow. This is Aquilegia, and this one is Primula Siaboldi. And some evergreens did survive the winter. So this is Disporum perni. It looks okay. Most of the lavender survived, and also some weeds, of course. And the pulsatilla is now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buds. So lovely. And Erica is in bloom. It has some frost damage, you can see here. Kaluna looks okay, and soon I have to cut it back in April maybe. What I'm very saddened about is this plant. This is Euphorbia Miner's Merlot, and the parts which were out of the snow suffered frost damage. It is because it is one part Euphorbia caraceus, and the other part is Euphorbia amygdaloides purpurea. So Euphorbia caraceus is really a Mediterranean plant, and it doesn't survive extended periods of cold or very low temperatures. So that would be all for today. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.